I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce for noodles. First, select your favorite fresh chili peppers, about 1 cup's worth, and gather aromatic ingredients such as 4 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger. You will also need a neutral oil like canola or vegetable oil, approximately 1/2 cup. Don't forget your liquids, a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, plus a teaspoon of sugar for balance. Now let's get cooking. Begin by finely chopping your chili peppers, garlic, and ginger. Heat about 1/2 cup of neutral oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the chopped garlic and ginger, sautéing them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become fragrant. Next, introduce the chopped chilies and cook for another 5 minutes, allowing their flavors to meld beautifully with the aromatics. Time to blend. Carefully transfer your cooked chili mixture into a blender or food processor. Blend until it reaches your desired consistency, from chunky to perfectly smooth. Now, pour in your 1/4 cup of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Blend again to fully combine. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning, perhaps adding a pinch more salt or a dash more sugar to achieve your perfect flavor profile. Your delicious homemade hot sauce is almost ready. Let it cool completely to room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once cooled, transfer the sauce into a clean, airtight jar. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready whenever you crave a spicy kick. This versatile sauce is perfect for enhancing your favorite noodle dishes, stir-fries, or even as a vibrant dipping sauce. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.